Today we're diving into the future of tech and unveiling 5 jaw-dropping predictions for the iPhone 17 that might completely change the smartphone game. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. It's going to be big. The countdown has begun. The iPhone 17 is almost here, and as always, Apple has everyone buzzing with excitement. But the big question is, will Apple deliver a true revolution or just another incremental update? Let's break it down and uncover the mind-blowing possibilities that could make this the most exciting iPhone ever. Let's be honest, competition in the smartphone world is brutal. With Samsung flexing its foldable displays, Google redefining AI in smartphones, and OnePlus upping the ante in performance, Apple needs to pull out all the stops to stay ahead. The iPhone 16 gave us some solid updates, but we're all hoping the iPhone 17 brings the magic back. Say hello to the next level of privacy. The iPhone 17 has the potential to redefine how we see and use our smartphones. Will it live up to the hype? Well, that's for Apple to prove, and for us to experience. What's your dream feature for the iPhone 17? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more exciting tech predictions. See you in the next video.